Think you need fancy gear to start on YouTube? Think again. First up, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, just head to google.com, click Sign In, and follow the prompts to create your account. Easy peasy. Next, navigate to youtube.com. Click that profile icon and choose Create a Channel. Decide if it's personal or for a business and hit Create. Boom, you're on your way. Now customize your channel. Upload a snazzy profile picture and an eye-catching banner. Fill out your About section with engaging info and social media links. Make it pop. Time to add keywords in YouTube Studio. These help people find you. Then, film your first video. No fancy equipment needed. Your smartphone will do just fine. Edit your video with free tools like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve. Add some music, graphics, and trim out mistakes. Finally, upload your masterpiece. Fill in the title, description, and tags. Don't forget an eye-catching thumbnail. And there you have it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. See you next time.